Okay, hold on. This is hilarious. Okay.
Put on my slippers.
Okay. All right. What do you hope Santa brought you?
I don't know. Let's open. I'll open mine first.
Well, what do you think it is?
I don't know.
What do you think Santa brought you? Oh my goodness!
Let's go. Come on, guys. Whoa! Hey, who brought this dinosaur in here?
No, that's from Santa.
Who's Spinosaurus?
Santa came and brought. At least you see what
Dad.
Santa brought you.
Cannon, look. Look.
It's Optimus Prime, the big one. I seen this one. Hey, Mom, will you open this one for me? Look, Elise. It's Tinkerbell. How about we open?
Cannon, look. Look what this is. Oh, let me see the baby.
I got a Spinosaurus. Now I have two Spinosaurus. Elise, open this one. Look at this thing. And I see Megatron. Like, this is really big.
Ken, on that one, there is, you put little bitty ones that go on this too. We'll do 9 other Transformers. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Now
Cannon, do you know what that is?
No?
It's a bow and an arrow.
Yeah, but
It's for little boys.
Detective-Day. Come here, Elise.
I'm not a little boy.
What are you, a little man?
Here, let me see the baby.
Oh,
I'll open her.
Hold on, hold on. You want to look at that bow?
Big, strong Roxy.
Let's look at that bow.
But Dad, would you open this Transformer box?
Yeah.
I seen that Optimus Prime before. Here, Dad. And look, Santa brought me 2 dinosaurs, the Spinosaurus and
Elise.
They opened their mouths.
Is it the baby you wanted?
That's the baby.
Yay! You want to hold her?
Now we open this.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. It's so exciting.
Look, there. The Elvis guy.
Yes.
Yeah, he went back to Santa, remember?
Wait. Why?
To tell him that you have been good.
Santa came last night. The elf is done. Till next year.
Hey, Dad, we'll open that Optimus Prime.
Look at that bow real quick. Hand that to me. I want to see that thing.
Here.
See where you hold it right there?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's green.
Uh-huh, your favorite color.
you're not
Hey, Dad, open
Okay.
that Optimus. How about we open? I'll open this one. Please? I want to open.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
I'll open.
Okay, open it.